This video will explain what a minor chord is and then show you how to play it in every key. Welcome to Songwriting Explained, the one-stop shop for songwriting content. I have a question for you. How would you describe the sound of the minor chords? Let us know in the comments below and we'll discuss this at the end of the video. What are minor chords? Along with major chords, minor chords are fundamental to music. They are the second most common chord type. Minor chords are constructed with 3 notes. This is known as a triad. You may have seen the notes of a chord being labelled with numbers as well as letters. These show the notes, or intervals, in a given scale that make up a particular chord. It is like a formula or recipe, which you can apply to any scale to create a particular type of chord. In this example, the minor chord, we use the first, the flat or minor third, and the 5th interval from the scale. If you need some help with the concept of flat or sharp notes, then check out our really simple music theory video. Another way to approach this is if you know a major chord, which is constructed with the 1st, 3rd, and 5th note, you simply drop the 3rd note by half a step or a semitone and use the same 1st and 5th. If you want to learn how to play all the major chords, then take a look at our major chord video. We will now run through all 12 minor chords, providing the notes in each. Please note that we will use sharp rather than flat in this video. If you'd like to find a particular chord, please use the timestamps in the description or sections on the timeline. Let's start with A minor. It has the following notes: A, C, and E. A sharp minor, A sharp, C sharp, and F. B minor, B, D, and F sharp. C minor, C, D sharp, and G. C sharp minor, C sharp, E, and G sharp. D minor, D, F, and A. D sharp minor, D sharp, F sharp, and A sharp. E minor, E, G, and B. F minor, F, G sharp, and C. F sharp minor, F sharp, A, and C sharp. G minor, G, A sharp, and D. G sharp minor, G sharp, B, and D sharp. There are many ways you could play these chords on piano, guitar, or any instrument. You just need to play the correct notes at the same time. This knowledge is also really useful in Ableton or your chosen DAW, as you can program notes using MIDI to create chords. Let's now go back to the question at the beginning of the video. How would you describe the sound of the minor chords? Minor chords sound sad, unhappy, or melancholic. They can also be considered contemplative or even depressing. A song written entirely with minor chords will amplify these emotions. Minor chords are often used with major chords to provide contrast and a mix of emotions in a song. Thanks for watching and congratulations! You can now understand all the minor chords. Please like and subscribe to Songwriting Explained for more songwriting videos. If you're after more chord content, then check out the playlist on screen now.